Hello everyone, my name is Govind and I welcome you all to this session on enterprise business intelligence and what truly decides its success. I am a Microsoft certified fabric analytics engineer and I work at Addend Analytics as a data analyst. So, enterprise BI projects today use powerful tools, large data sets, and advanced dashboards. Yet, many of these initiatives struggle to deliver real business impact. This session focuses on the key realities behind enterprise BI, the gap between assumptions and reality, the importance of stakeholder communication, and the challenges of performance, scalability, and rework. So, the goal is to understand why enterprise BI succeeds or fails beyond tools and technology, and what really matters when analytics is implemented at scale. So, enterprise BI, what really decides success? Enterprise BI projects are often associated with powerful tools, large datasets, and advanced dashboards. However, despite strong technology investments, many enterprise BI initiatives fail to deliver expected business value. The primary reasons are not technical limitations, they are unrealistic assumptions, weak stakeholder communication, and poor planning for scale and change. This session focuses on three critical realities of enterprise BI projects: assumptions versus reality, like stakeholders communication and performance with rework. Understanding this factor is essential for building BI systems that actually succeed at scale. Now let's look at why enterprise BI rarely goes as planned, assumptions versus reality. So, enterprise BI projects usually begin with several assumptions. It is assumed that business requirements are clearly defined, KPIs are fixed, and a single dashboard can serve everyone. But in reality, requirements evolve continuously. Business users refine their needs only after seeing data in action. KPIs change as strategies changes, markets changes, or leadership priorities shift. Different roles also require different insights. Executive needs high-level summaries, manager needs operational trends, and analyst need granular details. So, for example, a revenue dashboard built for leadership later needs to support operational teams, requiring new dimensions, filters, and calculations. So accepting this reality early helps teams design flexible and scalable solutions. Stakeholder communication, the biggest non-technical risk in BI projects. Enterprise BI projects involve multiple stakeholders with different expectations. Business stakeholder focuses on outcomes, decisions, and business impact. BI team focuses on data models, transformations, and technical accuracy. This difference in perspective often creates misalignment. Common feedback such as this is not what was expected or these numbers don't match Excel usually stems from unclear communication. Without continuous alignment, BI teams may build technically correct solutions that fail to meet business requirements. Clear communication is not optional in enterprise BI, it is core success factor. So please always keep in mind. Effective communication in practice. How high performing BI teams reduce rework. Effective BI communication starts by clarifying the business question before building anything. Understanding why a metric is needed is more important than understanding how to calculate it. KPI definitions must be aligned and documented early. Terms like revenue, margin, or active customers often mean different things to different teams. Sharing mockups or wireframes before full development allows stakeholders to validate expectations early. This approach significantly reduces late stage rework. For example, aligning on whether revenue includes tax or discounts early prevents month of reporting disputes later. Performance, scalability, and rework, where enterprise BI breaks at scale. Performance and scalability issues rarely appear during initial development. They usually emerge after you go live. When data volumes grow and user adoption increases, A report that performs well with limited data can become slow or unusable when historical data is added. Long refresh times and failed refreshes directly impact business trust in BI systems. Rework is inevitable in enterprise BI due to changing requirements, new data sources, and evolving business needs. Rework itself is not a failure, unplanned rework is. So, for example, a model designed without scalability in mind may require complete redesign when new regions or years of data are added. Conclusions and key takeaways. What truly drives enterprise BI success? Enterprise BI success is not defined by the number of dashboards or visual complexity. It is defined by how well analytics supports decision making at scale. Enterprise BI should be treated as a business initiative, not just a reporting task. Clear communication builds trust, scalability planning protects performance, and flexibility enables long term success. When these principles are applied, BI systems evolve from reporting tools into reliable decision platforms that deliver real business value. So, if your organization is exploring Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Power BI, or Enterprise BI consulting and looking to build scalable performance driven analytics solution, feel free to reach out. Whether it's data modeling, dashboard strategy, performance optimization, or end to end BI implementation, the right analytics approach can drive better decisions and real business value. Contact details you can see on your screen. Feel free to reach out to us. Let's discuss how analytics can work better for your business.